so I'm gonna show you my everyday makeup routine. So I already have foundation on my face, and then I add concealer. And I know my hair is a mess right now, but we ignore that. So I like to add a lot of concealer. Because I like full coverage, so I just like go like right under my eyes and I go up and I just do like a lot. And I go underneath my eyebrows. A little bit on the forehead, and then the chin, and like I like to do the sides as well. So yeah, I'm going to blend this all in and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just blended it in. So once that's done, I usually don't do these things in any specific order. Okay, I like to fill in my eyebrows with this Brow Define Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil. I've used this before in other makeup videos, but yeah, it has a brush on one side and the pencil on the other side. So I'm just gonna fill these in the mirror and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just done my eyebrows. Eyebrows can be very annoying for me to do and difficult, just because of the way like they grow out. So next I like to do my eyeshadow. I don't do eyeshadow all the time when I'm doing everyday makeup because I feel like it's a bit much, it's a bit excessive. But when I do eyeshadow, I like to do this shade. It's my most used. It's just like this light. It's like this light peach. So I just like to do that. It looks quite strong on camera. I feel like this is mixed in with another shade. This brush. But yeah, I like to do this peachy shade because I feel like it's not too dramatic or anything. So yeah, that's what I like to do. And I like to go in with eyeliner. I love eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner just really makes my face look so like put together, like my eyes put together. So I'm gonna do that in the mirror because it's really easy to mess up. So I'll be right back once I've done that. Okay, so I've done my eyeliner, and the next thing that I like to do would be mascara. I'm pretty sure I have it here. Okay, well I'm just gonna use this one. I don't think I've used this one in videos before. So yeah, and I just put that on my eyelashes. I'm gonna do this in the mirror also because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so I've done my mascara. As you can see, my eyelashes are visible now. So now I just do some blush. I do very minimal